Lady Pawsworth promised to plant one flower. 30 seconds later, the backyard had a basement, and she'd uncovered what may be the largest dog bone in recorded history. Today, she and Otto review the PlantSpawn garden tool set.
Hello everybody, Otto here, and today I have a special guest reviewer, Lady Pawsworth. She told me she was going to plant one flower. 20 minutes later, she had excavated half the yard and was demanding that I contact the Museum of Natural History. Today, we're looking at the PlantSpawn gardening tool set, currently listed at $29.99. Prices and availability can change, so check the link for the current details. The set arrives with a black and green carrying tote, pruning shears, trowels, a cultivator, hand rake, weeder, claw gardening gloves, and plant tags. The listing calls it an 8-piece set, although exactly how the accessories are counted appears to require advanced garden mathematics. The metal tools have thick, polished heads, while the black and green handles use a soft, non-slip ergonomic design. That can be helpful for anyone who finds narrow or slippery handles uncomfortable during longer gardening sessions. The tools cover the common jobs: digging, transplanting, loosening soil, removing weeds, pruning small stems, and labeling whatever Lady Pawsworth has not accidentally uprooted. The tote measures approximately 12 by 7 by 4 inches and has exterior pockets that keep the tools organized. That is important because unattended garden tools have a mysterious habit of migrating into the garage and disappearing until November. The seller describes the heads as rust-resistant and heavy-duty. However, the listing uses both stainless steel and carbon steel terminology, so verify the exact materials if that distinction matters to you. The pruning shears are sharp. Use their safety lock, wear appropriate gloves, and clean and dry the tools after gardening. And please remember, claw gloves are for loosening soil, not tunneling beneath the neighbor's fence. Based on the features and included accessories, Lady Pawsworth and I give this set a preliminary 4 paws out of 5. We're reserving the 5th paw until we see how everything handles repeated real-world use, and until I get my yard back. The product link is in the description or pinned comment. As an Amazon associate, the Stage AI Plus Foundation may earn from qualifying purchases at no additional cost to you. That support helps our nonprofit provide free, practical information for seniors, adults with disabilities, and the wider community.
Lady Pawsworth here. Thank you for joining our little garden investigation. Please visit Otto Reviews It and come back soon for more of my expert detective work. Until then, keep digging. But do try to avoid the neighbor's yard.